going on, everybody? It's Trey Neal here, and today's live day trading recap sees a lot of really choppy trades. There are two that are pretty big movers, so those are going to be the two that I show you during this live trade recap. It's going to look like I skipped a bunch of trades, but obviously you'll be able to see my P&L sitting there anyway, and trust me when I say you didn't miss much in those trades. It was very choppy out there this morning, except for the two that I'm going to show you, so don't think you're missing anything. And then obviously at the end, I took a lot of trades off camera today. I actually traded the system until 2 p.m., so I took a lot of trades today off camera, so stick around to see how those went as well. Plug them into TraderView, all that good stuff. Hit like, hit subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get into the live action. 5 seconds we are long this candle as we are gapping down this morning. Yep, we are long. Well, get in, please. There. 444.53. We are long 100 shares of SPY. Longing the S&P 500 here, according to the system. On gap down days, we long because obviously we are breaking down levels. Oh, nice. Continuing to roll over on us. Immediately down 50 bucks. We're looking to sell 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Currently this bar. So it's going to be for the next 6 minutes that our sell condition is all the way up here. So it's going to be a long trade. See what happens. Hopefully it doesn't just dump the hell over on us, but if it does, it does. We know what's possible, right? And we don't panic. The blue hue is cool in the background. Ooh, cool in the background. Yeah, I went no green screen today. I like the vibes. Little vibe switch. Little vibe switch. I like it. It also matches my hoodie. Somebody said this morning I blend in. I have blue camo on. Individual stocks. I don't really see a whole lot going crazy. Your IVDA and your HOTH both just kind of dying a little bit out of open / chilling sideways. We did just push into new lows again on SPY. We are down 0.8%, the SPY is this morning, so it's interesting. Obviously, we don't sell lows, so we're not interested in any selling down here at all. And we'll see what happens. Blue man show. I gotta go paint my face blue for the next stream. Then I'll really blend in. Did you guys know the Blue Man crew isn't like just one crew? They have there's a lot of different blue men. It's just different people that paint themselves blue. Really ruins their whole aesthetic for me when I learned that. Sorry if I just ruined it for anybody else too. Watch TRIB. Is TRIB about to do something? Very inconsistent volume out of open. I would be careful with that. But yes, it did just get a volume perk. SPY is just kind of chilling here. Bounced back up a little bit. We were down less than $30 at the top of this bounce, but now rolling back over a little bit on us. You guys know where we're looking to sell. It's got to break up levels. For 4 more minutes, we're not looking to sell until yesterday's bars. Obviously, once it hits 9:38, our sell condition will jump down here to today's bars. Looks like SPY's about to go to new lows. It's testing new lows. Now you did it to me. I'm sorry. Yeah. It really did ruin their whole aesthetic for me. I learned that they weren't. It's not just it's not an actual crew. They have different people that just paint themselves blue. That was a nice spike. We were only down $10 or $14 the high of that spike, but it immediately failed. Big topping candle here. Nice. Get back to break even in this trade. Oh, there's your IVDA. IVDA, low float traders. Ow. I'd practice their music because I wanted to audition to become a member of them. Just go paint yourself blue, bro. You can do it. Okay, we're only down 10 bucks. But it keeps rejecting. This SPY feels like it wants to roll over here. The way this bar keeps rejecting is a little sketchy. But we'll see. We'll see. Bar closes obviously in 3 seconds. Got $31 green on the Hoth move. Very nice. Oh, Hoth and IBDA are trading quite similarly out of open. Both kind of red, then they both kind of spiked at the same time. Speaking of spikes, we're almost break even in our trade. Sell condition is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's currently the bar before this. Currently this bar, sell condition. Ooh, we are green in this trade. Nice. Don't panic sell at lows. I mean, we could still lose money. We're not looking to sell yet, so anything could still happen. But at least initially, we don't panic sell at lows. Wait for the move. And here we go. So now let's see what happens. Ooh, high a day for SPY. Nice. From $50 down to $50 up, just like that, chat. But we're not locking in anything yet, so no time to celebrate. Don't celebrate unrealized gains. You don't make any money until you sell. Why do they call it Hoth when they should be called Coldif? That's a good one. Star Wars jokes. Nice. Okay. so our current sell condition is this bar. So the next minute bar, our sell condition drops down here. So if this bar can close above this line, the next bar becomes a sell condition candle. So let's see. Where can I see who is talking? You said someone's talking at 9:30. I'm not sure. Does anybody have a link to the Fed? Can you even like hear when the Fed talks? Can we hear them? I don't know. There's people. There's like people from the Fed that were talking at 9:30. I don't really ever listen to that stuff unless it's their major minutes. Like I don't listen to every time the Fed opens their mouth, so I don't actually know. You might be able to find a link out there somewhere. Maybe somebody in chat can help you. Okay, this bar closes in 7 seconds. It's not going to close above this line, but see if this next bar can get up over this. We are now back down to red 20 bucks in this trade. Trade's a bit all over the place. I mean, obviously these opening candle trades tend to be the more volatile ones. If markets are open, this is when markets tend to be the most volatile. So. All right, we're now looking at this line. Our sell condition is now down here. It's going to do that thing again, isn't it? Where it's going to, okay, yeah, you're on, okay, good. You bought, you were patient. Now you're very close to getting to sell. Now we're going to roll on you. Oh, SPY, you tease. You tease! Look at it. Oh. Yeah, wow. Ridiculous. Ridiculous. I'm a little upset about that, actually. Here you go, Trey. Okay, you can get out of this trade now. Psych! Woo! Whatever. Wait, what? Oh. For some reason, I was like, how is my system only down $75? But my system is only taking 75 shares, not 100. Change that just so it matches, the P&L matches what I am. Oh, it's literally at $107, just like I am. We're perfectly matching the system. That's to register to attend the meeting? You have to register to attend when the Fed talks like that? That's weird. That is strange. Sell candle is now this one. So next minute bar, sell candle comes down a little bit. TRIB chat. Yeah, it's moving a bit. I would still be careful with that volume. It's an inconsistent volume story. It's not something I would look to trade, but who cares what I would look to trade? You guys do you. What's up, John? Have you thought about not having the system trade the first 10 minutes? Yep. It's worse. Yeah, of course. I've done that. I've tested not starting to trade until 9:40. Yeah, of course. But it's worse when you do that. It just makes it less profitable. It's still profitable to trade the first 10 minutes. Yes, sometimes this happens, but you can't adjust your system for what happens sometimes, right? It's just not how it works. Not how trading works. Good morning, Trey. Happy Monday, my friend. Happy Monday, Mind Money for us. Happy Monday. How are you? See daily volume on Trib. Today going to high of year? Sure. I mean, it probably is relative high volume, but it's still light volume. And it's still inconsistent volume, so I wouldn't. It doesn't meet my rule for consistent volume for low floats. So once again, I wouldn't trade it, but once again, if you want to, by all means. Don't not trade it because I'm saying I wouldn't trade it. Ow. The first 10 minutes is the best. I haven't compared only trading the first 10 minutes. I mean, you guys want to? I mean, it looks like we're going to be stuck in this trade for a second. We can just look real quick. So if I change the system to 30 days, and then we change the time frame, this is going to prove me wrong now, watch. I mean, hell, for all I know, the market conditions have changed enough. But let's see. Okay, so wait, what are we up now? We're up $5,400 the last 30 days. Now, if I don't start my system until 9:40, we are up $4,700. So it dropped $700 over the last 30 days. $700 have been made in the first 10 minutes of market open, right? So yeah, that's once again the beauty of using code. That's how quickly you can test it, right? Above this green line, obviously, is our sell condition. I think it's right here right now. Just go back to this screen. Screen's kind of annoying to look at. Everyone sees one trade and immediately tries to configure the strat. Yeah, well, I talk about this all the time, but it's probably always going to happen. Every time there's a red trade, someone has a suggestion of how to fix it. But you can't stop adjusting your strategy around what sometimes happens, right? Hey. Saw your video yesterday. Very interesting about the candles. Yeah. We did the candlestick pattern analysis quiz yesterday. I'm gonna keep making that content. I enjoyed it. I think it's cool. That sorry, I just saw an emote go flying across my screen. I want to turn that off. I think it's fun content to do. I mean, obviously, you guys get to test your knowledge doing the quiz, and it does help. Like, it helps bring up topics of conversation, right? Like, I talk about more than just the quiz questions. Excuse me. Quiz? Yep, that was the content. I made 2 videos this weekend. Both of them are quizzes. I'm going to keep doing it, too. There'll probably be 2 videos out today. I'll post, obviously, this recap video, and then I'm probably going to post another quiz today. I think I'm going to keep using that content. I like it. I enjoyed making it. Anyway, we're getting a bounce back up here in our trade. What were we down, max? I think we were down like 160 down here. Wait, was it that low? It was at least 130. I saw 130s. Oh, shoot. Well, maybe not shoot, but our sell condition is now up here. Our sell condition is now this bar. We're actually, funnily enough, looking for green right now. We're looking for green. Imagine we make money in this trade. Imagine. I think we've been... I don't know. This might be our biggest... If we make money. I mean, this could still roll back over on us, but... If we make money, this might be our biggest recovery. I think we were down. What were we down? It was close to 150 down here. If we end up making money in this trade, that would be our biggest, I think, single trade recovery. But who knows? This could just roll back over on us, and we could end up losing a couple hundred more. Foreshadowing? The auto trade at open when it gaps down is for another strategy. This is optimized for intraday action. What? What do you mean it's for another strategy? I just showed you that trading the first 10 minutes of the day has made $700 in the last 30 days on trading this exact strategy. Doesn't mean it makes money every day, but it means you should be doing it. And hell, that was while we were down $100. So without counting today's trade, it was just made over $800 in the last 30 days. GNCA strong. Sorry, I gotta keep the high-a-day scanner moving for you guys. We are getting new candle under candle. Is this gonna roll back over on us? It could. Another long trade to start the video. This might be another trade, but I don't really like. I'll probably cut out. Like, I'll cut to here, and then I'll cut to here. I don't know. It's hard. Maybe I will. It depends how long we're in the rest of this trade. Maybe I will just show this whole trade, though. Because it was interesting. I mean, we were up, we were down, we were up. Like, it has been an interesting trade. This is our current sell bar, by the way, now. So we are close to getting out. And then the next bar, so unless something dramatic happens, the next bar is a sell bar. Because the next bar sell condition drops all the way down here, right in 30 seconds. So unless some kind of dramatic rollover happens, which I hope it doesn't, the next bar will be our sell bar. Looks like we may not fully recover back to green in this trade. Still better than selling down here. Well, unless it rolls over back to down there, which it could. It could. 9 seconds, our sell condition drops down here. Oh, please don't break that before. Okay, thank the Lord. Now, no matter what, we're selling this candle. Even if it does roll over now, we are selling this candle. This is now a sell candle, as it is above 8 bars back. We tried to fight our way back to green in this trade. What, we went from like 150 down to only being down 30. Now we're unfortunately rolling back over a little bit, but it is what it is. We trade like we're supposed to trade, and we're happy with it. I need to get my short strategy turned on, or my short study, sorry, so that I can see where we're about to short, because that might be coming up soon. It will be coming up soon. We will be shorting the candle after this one. Right after we exit this candle, a minute after, when the next bar closes, we are shorting too. Okay, nice. We're getting a little spike up here, back towards us. Ooh, very nice, actually. Very nice, actually. All right, things you love to see. We are out here. Nice. Well, I mean, we still lost money, but shit. Well, we were down 150 down here. We ended up losing 43, so not panic selling the lows saved us $100 there. Anyway, since you guys missed the entrance to that trade, because I won't be able to put that in YouTube, we are long SPY here at 443.53. Obviously broke down some levels. Got to know. Unless you code in the improbable bad scenario that every long entry is at ask and every long exit is at bid. Backtesting never accounts for market spreads. It does for SPY. It does on SPY. SPY trade's super heavy. SPY trade's super heavy. You're always getting filled. You just hit market order and you're always getting filled right here. We're not like trading some, like if you're like trying to backtest low floats, that's when shit starts to get complicated, right? Because then, yes, you really have to worry about like your backtest is always getting the best entrance and you're not always going to be getting that entrance. But on SPY, it's so heavy. I hit market order and I get filled. Like today and almost just about every day I can trade right alongside my algorithm. My algorithm's down $5 right now, actually. I'm actually beating it by a couple dollars right now. And I know that's just today, but this happens every day. I can trade right along. I can trade the same P&L as my algo every day. SPY just trades heavy enough that it's not really a concern. Do you only trade SPY? I've only traded SPY this month, I think. Sometimes I will still trade low floats in pre-market. I've got to really, really like them, though. I've got to really like them. My comments were Paul. He asked about low floats. Oh yeah. Yeah. Well, I get asked that question all the time too. It's like, well, Trey, I'm afraid to use your algorithm because I'm worried about slippage. Like the algorithm doesn't account for slippage, so I think it's too good to be true. I think slippage is going to crush it. People say that all the time, and it's just there really is next to no slippage when you trade SPY. It trades heavy enough. VERU gonna go? I haven't been watching the multi this morning. VERU, yeah, nice. Nice spike there. Wow, actually really nice spike there on VERU. Shit, that's like that's a 9% spike right there, that is. Very nice. Our sell condition is up here. It's not this bar yet. It's actually right now, it's this bar. But who cares? We're going to get dumped into anyway. Yay. I need VERU over 9 to short. Go on, Paul. 10:30 is in 8 minutes, and we're up $6. The green or red prediction today is actually going to be really close. The only way to account for slippage is to code the entries and exits to ask bid rather than open price. My ask and bid is coded to buy the close of candles. I can pretty much always buy the close of candles. Pretty much spot on. Especially, once again, especially with SPY. Yay! I told you we were going to get rolled into. Pretty easy to see the way this was trading that we're going to get rolled into. The way it made this down move and then was consolidating sideways. It's kind of mini bear flagging here. But now maybe we fake out and rip. Let's see. Trust the system and let's see. Come here, you. 50. I love this song. Okay. 1024. Not sure why spread should be a concern unless you're scalping for like 1 to 2 cents. That's true too. I mean, if you have an algorithm that holds trades for a couple hours, your spread becomes way less relevant. You're still gonna underperform if you're trading low floats. You're gonna underperform your algorithm a little bit, but if you're not scalping, then it becomes less of a concern. Yeah, the longer you hold a stock, the less important getting the exact penny fill right is. Right. You will underperform the algorithm a little bit because it's going to be getting always filled perfectly, and you're not on low floats. But if it's profitable, it's profitable. Yes, you might underperform it, but if you still make money, oh no, I'm underperforming. Okay. Sell candle currently is this candle. Next candle, we drop way down. In 30 seconds, we drop way down here for our sell condition. I would never algo a low float for the case of slippage / liquidity. Liquidity is not an issue because you can code that, or you can either code it or just not trade low volume stocks, right? You can code the algo to not trade stocks unless they have certain volume to not run into liquidity issues, right? That's a pretty easy fix. And to be fair, slippage is an easy fix too. Make every entrance the ask and make every sell the bid. You just fix your slippage too. Prove it's profitable with getting the worst entry and the worst exit. If you can prove that profitable, all of a sudden now you don't have to worry about slippage anymore either. Yay! What a fun morning of trading this has been. What am I going to post on YouTube today? I mean, I'll still post it. I mean, days like this happen. It's just been so like, and who knows, maybe this really dumps into us and we actually lose a lot of money, but it's just been so like every trade's been like, all right, like, yay, 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 like, yay. Now we're just getting, okay, this is rolling into us. At least we're getting a little bit of a big move here to the wrong direction, but so we're getting a little bit of an semi. Well, to be fair, the first trade was exciting. It ended up not being too big of a change, but it was exciting. I mean, we were down 150 in this trade and only lost 30. We're down now 108 in this trade. There's been some stuff. Hell, maybe I only include those 2 trades, honestly, because the rest of them have been like, I mean, we hit a $30 winner here. That's kind of it, though. Everything else has been inside $30, which is like, bleh. Liquidity and slippage is only an issue if you're trading 10K plus shares. Yeah. Well, I mean, it depends. It depends on the volume of what you're trading, right? It's relative to the volume of what you're trading. You could be trading only 1,000 shares, but if you were trading Trib here on 1,000 shares, you were getting bad slippage because Trib here was only trading I mean, I shouldn't say that because I don't know. Yeah, I mean, these bars, this bar traded 2,700 shares of volume. So if you're trading 1,000 shares here, your slippage is going to be awful. I mean, it's relative. That's why, once again, I say that you don't run into slippage issues with SPY. Like, me and you are not going to be taking large enough SPY positions that we have to worry about slippage. Even 100 shares is $44,000 positions. Like, I don't think anybody watching me is going to be taking a $10 million position, which is probably about when you'd have to start worrying about slippage on SPY. It trades heavy enough for us plebs to not have to worry about it. Looking like it could just fade at this point. What, SPY? Could do anything, right? Trade. Ooh, I see VERU hammering the high a day. Go on VERU. Is that say 10:20? Oh, it's the time is 10:28. I thought it was saying I thought that was the price. I was like, holy F. It is pushing nicely though. VERU again, chat. Very, very nice. We'll watch our trade from the multi. We are down over $100 in our trade. Yep. VERU, very nice. One of my high days came upstairs was saying the price was 10.28. It's like, holy shit. Go. Paul cheering on VERU so he could short it. On a good volume stock, 10,000 shares, you'd be 3 to 4 cents off your desired price. Yeah. Right, when you start trading high volume, or when you start trading high shares relative to the volume, you're going to get slippage. This is the 10:30 candle, by the way. Anyone that bets with the close of this candle. So unless we get a 80-cent move in SPY in the next minute, looks like you guys are losing your channel points again. I am now 0 for 3 green at 10:30 on days I made that my prediction. Maybe that's the problem. We're cursing ourselves with the Twitch predictions. We're cursing ourselves. Yeah, and it looks like that's not going to happen. Looks like that's not going to happen. Hey, maybe you got lucky. Maybe nobody bet under. Oh, no, people bet under. The underbettors once again get such a good payout. They get a 3x payout. Okay. Just bail at lows, bro? No. If you've been watching me trade and you think I should still sell here, I can't help you. But Trey, it's gonna go lower. You have to sell. What if I did that here? What if I did that in countless of other trades over the last month? Like, redeemed hydrate? You'd redeemed hydrate while I was drinking. But sure, I'll drink again. Cheers. Smart to wait till the end to lay your points, I guess. Well, you can't do that. That would be cheating. or you mean like the end of the prediction too, so you can see where everybody else is predicting. Yeah, that probably is a good tactic. That probably is a good tactic. That's a joke, my dude. Fairs. You have to understand, when you're talking to me via text, I don't know if you're joking or not. And there's a lot of people that are actually serious, and when they say that to me, Trey, bro, it's gonna go lower. You have to sell. Just trying to help those people. As a degenerate gambler, I should have done that. At least play your odds, yeah. At least play your odds. Okay, so I will keep my face cam on until the end of this trade, because this trade's probably going to go on YouTube. I mean, this has been one of the biggest movers of the day. This trade will probably go on YouTube, so I'll keep my camera on, but then after I exit this trade, I'm going to turn my camera off and I'm going to be more quiet, but I will keep the stream on. I'll still be here. You won't be able to see me. I'll still be here. And I'll still be trading, so you guys can still watch me trade. And I'll trade from the algorithm screen too, so you guys will be able to see. You guys will be able to see like where the algorithm is about to enter and exit and stuff too. And you can watch the algo trade too alongside me. But yeah, so we will be live for a while today, maybe all day. I mean, I don't know. Probably not all. I mean, I can make the YouTube video and stuff while I'm live. I think I can. Because obviously won't be able to talk to you guys during that point. Am I insane for adding to a Soxal position? Yes. Because you already said you had... Didn't you say you had 3/4 of your net worth in Soxal? I still don't know if you're joking. I hope you are. But if you're adding to that, then yes, you are insane. Yes. That is way too large of a position to have in any single stock. I wouldn't even put 3/4 of my net worth into like Apple. You're putting it into a 3x leveraged ETF. Yes, that's fucking insane. Yes. Clinically. The answer is yes, that's insane. Stop adding to that position. Stop it. Bad. Bad polar. I mean, I hope it bounces for you. If it bounces, I guess you'll make a lot of money, but some things just aren't worth the risk. Because if it doesn't, what? You're going to lose everything? Like, that's just not worth it. Diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Other Warren Buffett quotes. Blah, blah, blah. SPY tried to push lows and then it tried to break this out. It's just chopping again. Fortunately, we've stuck in this long after this rollover, but it's just chopping. Our sell bar is actually currently this one. So our sell bar in 15 seconds does come down here. So if this can hold up for 15 seconds, the next bar will be our sell. I mean, we know it won't, because why would it be that easy? But okay. Now our sell bar is here. Hey! Okay, this is now a sell bar. Wherever this bar closes, we are out of this trade. For another loser this morning. I mean, we're down $88. The Q's recovered much better than SPY. Look at VERU. Pushy. The VERU traders? Wow. Oh, I typed AAA. Yeah, the Q's are spiking nicely here. Nice. That'll give our SPY trade some legs. Damn, the next candle is going to be a short candle too, and I have to pee. I do have to run to the bathroom. Quite as high as it used to. Would adding to NVIDIA be insane? Less insane than the 3x ETF. Once again, it depends on your position size. Stop putting 3/4 of your net worth into any one position. And sure as shit, stop putting it into 3x leveraged ETFs. Alrighty, we are out here, and we are down $98 on the Dizzly day. Woo! Alrighty, so that was the end of my live day trading session. We ended the first hour of the day down around 115, 120 bucks, somewhere around there. Let's go ahead and pull over the trades that I took off camera for the rest of the day. As you can see, we made $1. Woo! But from being down where we were, let me actually drag this over. I forgot my green screen's not on. Actually, after 10:30, like after where we normally where I stopped that live recording, we went down some more. I took up until 2 p.m. I took every trade today. As you can see, I took a crap load of trades today because we were below the SMA the whole time, meaning we were both longing and shorting. You take a lot of trades when you're below the SMA in this system, but we were down over $200 at 11:30. So the ability to bring that back to break even, we made $1. It's a break even day. The ability to bring that back is nice, even though obviously it's not like we made any money. It's still nice to not be down $200. Now, there's a lot of trades taken, and once again, even after I told you that the opening session, other than the 2 trades that I showed you, was largely sideways, not really a whole lot going on. It kind of continued throughout the rest of the day. SPY is just not that volatile today. I want to focus on 2 trades specifically though. 2 of my biggest winners were this long here and this long here. We got in at 441.72, out at 442. We got in at 441.51, out at 442.17. What do you notice about both, and you might not be able to from where it currently sits, but both of those trades, the candle I bought, the candle I went long on, was the low of day candle on SPY. SPY broke low of day, I got long, really nice bounce. SPY broke low of day, I got long, really nice bounce. So it's funny to look at, and that's the reason why I love this algorithm. I love having a system that I can trust. Because how many people do you know, like when SPY, oh my gosh, SPY broke low a day, it's going to keep rolling, or panic, or that's time to sell. Like, no, this system, that's where we're buying. We're buying that panic. We're buying breakdowns like that, getting long down there, and then selling any kind of break ups we get. So just wanted to kind of highlight that. I thought that was pretty cool. But yeah, to be able to get back to break even on the day, once again, I know we didn't make any money. It's not some big fantastic day, but it still makes me feel good, right? Considering we were down over $200 today. With that being said, let's bring over the trader view. Obviously, nothing that crazy. Oh, is the journal populated? Aha. The journal is populated today, so you can see we were down over $200. It's like a fun inverse head and shoulders pattern on my own intraday P&L. Yeah, you can see, you can see. Oh, I can make it bigger. You can see like just how crazy today got. I mean, we're just all over the place. Down out of open, tried to get back to break even, dumped off to just about $200, then got back to break even. Just a insane day. But back to the larger report, obviously just a flat sideways tick day. I did say I was going to take more trades Friday afternoon. I did. I don't remember exactly what I was down in the video on Friday. I think we might have dropped like 15 or 20 bucks though. Not a whole lot happened on Friday afternoon either. We dropped, I think, a little bit of money, but not a whole lot happened there either. So just a sideways tick day. What was the win rate today actually? 60? Okay, we still got that 65% win rate just about today, which is maybe actually a little bit of a surprise. Just kind of considering how today felt like it was going out there, but I guess it didn't go too bad. Over to the detailed, obviously not a lot is going to have changed here on a sideways day like this, but I still like to show it to you anyway. And yeah, I think with that being said, we can go ahead and start to wrap it up. Once again, this is our 31st day using the system. So now we're actually, I can actually add, if I go to 60 day, we can see an extra day now. We're up $1,200 since we started using the system, and we are up $1,100 in the last 30 trading days of using the system. So obviously continuing to go well, continuing to trend in the correct direction, continuing to plug away. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully you continue to enjoy these daily recaps that I am uploading every single day on this channel. If you do, make sure you hit subscribe so you don't miss any in the future. And if you liked this one, take a half second, hit the like button. I really do appreciate it. With that being said, I'm going to go ahead and sign out today's video. I will catch you all in the next one.